So, Kyle, yung Conex Media, ano ba yung mga services na ino-offer?
Okay, good question. So,
Parang it is more on branding ang tinutulungan nyo?
yes. So, kung isipin kasi branding is, branding is just a perception. No, but what we actually do sa isang customers is yung ads, essentially paid media natin, content management, no, which includes pag-post, yung pag-post, pag-schedule, pag-manage ng account, no, and then lastly is yung content creation. So napakalaga ng last part. So what we do is we video shoot, we script write, and then we also edit the videos for you. Even photography. Kasi all of those things, that's the hardest part about brand. All of those things matter. That's why parati namin sinasabi, win in every moment. Ibig sabihin, from the time na makita mo ako sa Facebook, to makita mo ako sa profile, to makakausap mo ako, hanggat sa ma-receive ko yung product, lahat yon is consistent dun sa message na gusto natin mabigay. So, ngayon, every business is different. Some businesses, kailangan lang nila is to revamp their content and it will work. And then some businesses, hindi nila alam kung ano yung messaging na ipupush nila or hindi nila alam ano yung customer nila, fix that, tapos na. So that's why when clients come to us, we really try to figure out ano bang problema ng isang business.
So
and
parang
then,
more on consultation muna.
Correct. Yes. Consultation muna, and then we give them the right strategy to build their brand. So that's why talaga kami, digital marketing firm. So we have a lot of things focusing on ads, content, and production para mabigay namin sa client or whatever brand na papasok sa amin yung tama para lang dun sa product nila. Kasi every market is different.